Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome to my workshop. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a trick that I've picked up along the way for how to repair chip out very quickly so that you can get on with your project. Let's get tinkering. I drilled this hole off camera and I've got a little bit of chip out. I thought I'd just share a little trick I've learnt. If you add some super glue, also known as CA glue, with a chip, and then sprinkle it with ample sawdust. I've got this sawdust from sanding a piece of scrap. Just push it all down nicely, nice and firm, and then spray it with the accelerant. You can now sand it. Let's move. Hey presto, it's done. It probably needs a touch more in there, so I'm just going to repeat the process. Just add a little bit of the CA glue. Remains of the sawdust. Not a lot, just get a bit more. And it's done. Well, I hope you found that useful. It's not something that I can say I invented, it's just something that I've picked up along the way that I thought might be helpful for some of my viewers. What I would say is I use this mitre fast accelerant and CA glue. I think if I buy it again, I'll buy these small sachets rather than a big pot. After a couple of uses, the spout on this got glued inside the lid, and it's stuck there permanently now, which is why I have to use a stick to apply it, which isn't the best way of applying CA glue. So another tip is to buy the small sachets, not the big pots, which look like they're cheaper, but I think ultimately it's better value if you buy the small sachets. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe by clicking my logo? It's free, and YouTube will add some of my videos to your feed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.